Hi, I hope you're having a blessed day. Welcome back to Lane Goofy Gaming. So today I'll be showing you how to get Godot 4 on your Chromebook. The first thing we're going to want to do is go to the Play Store. We can do that by either pressing this circle in the bottom left corner or pressing the search key on our keyboard. Either way, we just go to Play Store or we search up Play Store in the search bar. Once we're in the Play Store, we're going to want to go and search up Godot. I already have it searched up, so I'll just click on it. After we press on Godot, we'll go to Godot 4 Editor, and then we can press Install. And then after it installs, I'll show you the second part. Okay, so now that our app's installed, we want to open it. We want to press allow. Then we want to give it a second again. Then we're going to press the X on the open assets, and then we're going to press new. After we go to new, we need to make sure it's on compatibility. After we put it on compatibility, browse and just put it somewhere new where it could be at. Once you see this, you should be a check mark, but just for the sake of this video, we'll put it here, and then we could just press create and edit, press OK, and then your file should open. And then you can open Godot and you will be able to run it and you can do everything